Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. And I know the month of December we were very swamped, and so we were doing a lot of events. So we are back today for another video, and today's video we will be showing you how to create gifts for Valentine's. Those a special person in your life. It don't have to be a husband or wife. It could be a special friend. It could be just anyone you want to bless with a special gift. So if you think this is something that you are interested in doing, just continue to keep watching.
Okay, so we're going to do it with mason jars. It was two for $3.99 from the 99-cent store. And these are really nice. I mean, this is really nice. So these particular jars here, I mean, they make nice little gifts that you can give out. But I bought them because I wanted to use one for one thing, and I'll be doing one on a DIY, a grocery store, which the grocery store was Bonds. And they had some little bumblebee ones too. I'm just going to show you a quick, easy, simple way that you don't have to spend a lot of money, and you can have something that look really nice. And like my daughter said, you can give it to whoever, you know, whether you want it for a friend, a really good friend. You can do it for your mother, your father, your husband. What I did was got some of the red kisses, and I wanted to put some of this in there. So, and it's so simple. I might. Okay, this is project one. This is it. I got this for $4.99 at Bonds. And this is the grocery store, same place where I got the bumblebee. And what I do with my teddy bears, I clean them up behind the eye, like around the eye, which opens the eye up more. This particular bear here, what I want to do, I'm going to put this one, I'll be placing it into a big glass candle holder. So this would be nice either even as a gift too. You can give someone, and then when you finish with it, they can use it as a candle holder. So this is it. Here, purchased a little box of the chocolate candies at Bonds, and this was 99 cents. When you do this with your teddy bear, you want to use the same color thread. This is the thickest thread that I was able to find right now. So this is the only reason why I'm using this particular color. But I do have different colors of threads, and in order to really make it nice, try to get the same color of your teddy bear. If you can get like a tan, that would be awesome, you know, to do that. But right now, you know, I'm just using this one. And this is the only reason why I'm using this particular color is because I'm showing you how to close the hand, how to sew it together on. And Now for this here, something that I wanted to do here, which on the little feet part of the teddy bear, which would really make it cute. So I just want to just dab that on there. I put it in. And this here, let's get started. So we prepared, we did this. You get it, close it, set it in there, you close it up. Now like I said, you want to clean your teddy bear up, kind of like shape his little head and cut around the little eyes. That opens the eyes up more. And by the way, this little hearts, they are material. If it was paper or something, I wouldn't have done that. But since this is material, I think it kind of matches the ribbon. You don't want a lot on there, so you're just dabbing it and just putting a little bit on.
Complete our tutorial. This is our first project. This is the ladybug with a mason jar with candy. The candy is optional. You can use the candy if you choose to. Moving on to project 2. This is the teddy bear inside of the candle holder. Now you can choose to put your candy in here, or you can choose to put candles, teddy bear with candles in here as well. We chose candy just to give you an example of some things that you can do. So this does complete our tutorial for today. And if you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we upload a video. And until next time, God bless, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.